Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today I'll just be showing you guys how I achieve these soft beautiful curls in less than 10 minutes. If you would like to find out, just keep on watching. Right now, I'm just dividing the hair into small sections. I will then use my heat protectant serum before applying the heat to the hair. I would apply the heat in 10-second intervals before moving on. And I will do this until I get to the end of the hair. By the way, this unit is a 26-inch body wave from my collection, the Queen's Collection. I love everything about this hair. Like little to no sheddings. It's very soft and full, as you can see. This is how the hair looks after curling. As you can see, it looks very full, shine, and I had little to no shedding. Then once I'm finished curling, I would go in with my hot comb to smooth out the top of the hair because we do not want any lumps or bumps. I would always add heat protectant serum before applying any heat to the hair. By the way, I got the curling iron and the flat comb from Amazon. I got this a while back. I'll leave the links in the description box below for you guys. So this is the final look. I also applied the unit off camera. Let me know if you guys would like to see a video of how I applied the lace wig.